Nice mailbag today. I got my order of sensors from M5 Stack. You might have remembered on a previous mailbag I picked up a couple of their little development packages, boards. They package them together in plastic, and so this is the stick and this is the atom. And they have Grove connectors to connect up, I'll bring it up a little closer here, to connect up sensors to. The M5 stick actually has a set of input pins here that some of the sensors just plug right into that. And then the atom has that Grove type connector as well. It also has some pins on the back, but looks like most of the sensors, I guess, would hook up to here. So I made an order to get some sensors because I really want to play around. Perhaps I'm going to do a series of videos on these if I'm successful in learning how to utilize them. And I just found them really interesting, kind of cute. So I decided to get a few sensors. So that's what's in this package. And I think I mentioned when I got the first order from them, the boards in it, that it said it would take 7 to 20 days or so to come, and it took a little over a week for me. So yeah, not too bad, I don't think. Let's see. There we go. I'm just a little careful to see if any of my info is in here. Oh. And I got a nice package, and I won't be buying any more from them for quite a while, I don't think. Wow, they're neatly packaged. Okay, so a lot of boxes of things. Okay, and then I saw that they had this kind of neat little bags of stuff. Alright, that, and ooh, then I got another one of these cards. I got a card in the last one too. Alright, that's it. So I'm not 100% on all of these. And this is some kind of RFID card, I guess. I didn't play with the other one yet either, so I'll have to learn about that. So some sensors came in packages, and most of them came in these little packs. So let's just take a quick look. So this is an ambient light sensor. So I'll go ahead and open up that one. And here's the cable, and it's, I guess their claim to fame is, they're making all this stuff packaged up, so it's kind of like ready to put into an application, ready to go. So I guess there it is, the sensor. And yeah, all you got is the connector, so just connect up your wire to your development board and you're all set to go. So that's the concept of the company, I guess. Alright, so that's the ambient light sensor. I got a passive infrared sensor. Let's take a look at this one. A little smaller than the ones I've had in my kit. So this one, oh, it's got some stickies. This one was designed to go onto this stick. So I'll just plug it in right there and I can use it with the stick. So I think that's kind of a pretty fun idea. So yeah, you can see the little Fresnel lens here on it. Alright, so that's that one. Not sure what the stickers are for. I got an encoder unit. I haven't really done much with encoder units, but now's the time, I guess. So there we go. Again, all nicely packaged up, ready to be put into an application. You don't have a 3D printer or something to... I got a time of flight sensor there. I haven't started playing with these yet. I also have one from Pimoroni. And this one also will plug into the stick, as you can see here. So it's a VL53L0X. I think that's the same one I got from Pimoroni to use with my Pico as well. So there we go. That's pretty nice. A little speaker. And I tried to steer clear of the very expensive sensor since this is kind of a new part of my hobby, I guess. So that'll also go on the stick. So that's nice. It'll be fun. Then a mic. This is a microphone with the Grove connector. You can see it has the cable in there. I won't dig that out. So yeah, that's pretty simple, isn't it? Just a real simple but easy to connect up. Well, it looks like there's some adjustment I can do with the little trim pot. Okay, little mic, an IMU, Grove connector style, and that's because the stick already has one. The stick already has one in it, and we saw that when I opened it up. I turned it on, and we could see the IMU working in a pre-designed application. So it's the MPU 6886. So, yeah, nicely all done. I could see why people will get attracted to this, because they won't have to, again, build their own enclosures. This is a passive buzzer. The project I did with the Pico, I did a passive buzzer jukebox. And so I thought I'd get a little buzzer for this too, just to have one. It's fun to play with. Then an air quality unit. I bought 2 of them, and I think they're basically the same kind of unit. Let's see if we can read on it what it says here. Yeah, it's got temperature and humidity, and then atmospheric air pressure, I think, is what the QMP 6988 does. So there we go. So I got that one in the Grove connector, and then I think one of these will be, yeah, for the stick. So you see it has that, the header connector for the stick. So same idea. It doesn't really say on this, but I'm pretty sure it's the same sensors are in it. Then I got a little joystick here that will go with the stick. So this will plug in, and I started to get interested in this because I saw somebody take one of these and use the joystick and made a little game to play on the screen, which I thought was rather creative. So I got that. And then these two, pretty traditional sensors one would get in a kit. So here's our ultrasonic sensor that I think a lot of us have used. Well, it's all nicely wrapped up here. Let's see how it looks. So there we go. There it is. And got a little diagram telling us how it works, I guess. Very nice. So that'll be fun. So it all came in that. And last up is a joystick unit in the Grove connector style. So yeah, there we go. This one came with the little button for it. The other one will have to find some kind of button. I was surprised it didn't come with one. So there we go. I'll just show the back here. It's pretty straightforward. So that should give me enough to play around with all these with these 2 development boards that I've gotten, and I got a couple other ESPs, the stamps as well, the cheap stamps, to see what I could do with them and how fun they would be. So that's what I have for the mailbag today. Really excited to start trying out some of this M5 stack components and boards and see what I can do with them and see if there's anything special about them. I haven't done much with the ESP type units, so that'll be my chance to learn about them. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me.